This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Donna Cardinale. New on market, don't miss this beautiful open floor plan, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage CBS home located on a great canal lot with fully fenced backyard. Fruit trees galore. Extended patio and well for lawn irrigation. Spacious kitchen including breakfast bar and breakfast nook, formal living room and dining room, and entertain in your comfy family room. Tile with gorgeous decorative inlay at entry and crown molding throughout. Cabana Bath, room for a pool. Large laundry room. Spacious master suite and bath with his/her sinks, jacuzzi tub, separate shower and 2 walk-in closets. Over 2,076 square feet of living space. Great location, easy access to both 95 and FL Turnpike. For more information, review the details below or contact Donna Cardinale at 772-486-0864.